Hi all, my name is Gaurav. So in previous video we talked about the field level dependency injection. Okay. Now in this video what we will talk about dependency injection framework, which is JUICE. Okay, so let's start with the program. So let's recap what was the field level dependency injection. So we'll quickly recap. So we have a traveler, okay, and whenever traveler travels, traveler use a travel planner to plan his travel. Now this traveler wants a hotel room whenever he or she travels. And whose responsibility is to provide this hotel room? Travel planner's responsibility is to provide this hotel room. Now this hotel room is a private field in a traveler class. So what travel planner does before traveler checks in into hotel, like this step, the travel planner needs to make sure that this dependency or this field hotel room should be injected, means it should be initialized. So how travel planner would do it? Travel planner, via reflection code, travel planner initialize this hotel room. So what travel planner does, travel planner says, okay, get me this field, hotel room field from the traveler class. Okay, I got the field. Now this field is private, so make it accessible by calling the function set accessible is equal to true. Once this is true, then travel planner says, okay, hotel room field inside the happy traveler object, which is created in the beginning, set this field as new hotel room. So that's a dependency injection exactly travel planner is doing here. And for this dependency injection, travel planner is manually, a travel planner is creating a code via Java reflection. So these many lines of code travel planner needs to create before happy traveler checks in into hotel. So this is a pretty much manual activity. We need to write so much code. So what if we can get a capability? All those things can be automatically taken care. Okay, so here problem is, let's say traveler forgets to initialize this dependency. We will get a null pointer exception when we call the check-in hotel, because check-in hotel calls the hotel room function prepare to stay, this function. Now hotel room is not initialized here because travel planner forgot to initialize this field, so we'll get a null pointer exception. So carefully travel planner needs to initialize this field. So let's now come to juice framework. So how juice framework solves this problem? It takes care all the things in backend on its own. We don't need to do anything. We just need to tell Google Juice, okay, this is the field we need to inject. Okay. So what is Google Juice? Google Juice is a open source dependency injection framework. It was developed by Google and publicly launched in 2007. So they were internally using since 2006, but publicly they launched in 2007. So what Google Juice says, hey, you don't need to worry about the dependency injection. You tell me what dependency you need to inject in your class. I'll take care, and you take care of rest of your business logic. Okay, so let's talk about now Google Juice. So for Google Juice, this is a Maven dependency I already have in my project. Okay. Now what I'll do, number one step what I'll follow, traveler needs this dependency to be injected, hotel room. So I'll say at the rate inject. Okay, this is a Google Juice annotation. So with this inject keyword, Google Juice will understand whenever I create a traveler object, this dependency needs to be injected. Now next thing what I'll do is step two. Step two, I'll say juice dot create injector. Okay, what it returns? It returns the injector. Okay, so I'll say injector, and that is all. Step 3, I'll say to injector, hey injector, get me the instance. Which instance? I need a traveler class instance. Okay, what it will return? It will return a traveler class instance. Okay, so I'll say same. I'll copy this traveler, and it is always happy traveler. Okay, I got this. Now I'll say always happy traveler dot check into hotel. That's it. I don't need this code. I'll comment this code. So now you see, manually I did not create a object of hotel room like I created here. Google Juice internally is taking care of that. Now let's see if it works. I am running it. It worked. It successfully called the check-in hotel. Okay, it went to this class check-in hotel. It printed this statement. Then it went to prepare to stay, and it printed this statement setting into the cozy Kashmir hotel room. So that is how Google Juice is making our life easy. So this is just a beginning. In subsequent videos, we'll talk more about the Google Juice, what's the different component of Google Juice. Till now, enjoy the simpleness. Thank you.